Hello everyone, welcome to Food for Thought Gamut, a math and cooking tutorial.
Hello everyone, here is the problem to be solved. X squared minus 10x equals 24. What is the value of x? Let's begin for the solution. Rewrite the given equation. By this form we're going to equate into 0. But negative 10x is the same as negative 12x plus 2x. The next is to include the sum of negative 10x, which is the negative 12x plus 2x in the equation. Let's write x squared plus 2x minus 12x minus 24 equals 0. Now by this expression we have 4 terms. Wayne to regroup them. After that, we have to factor out each quantity to find for their common factor. Now as you see, their common factor is x plus 2. So let's take x plus 2 out of the bracket. Then regroup the x and negative 12. Obviously, we have 2 cases here, the x plus 2 and x minus 12. Then continue to simplify to reveal the values of x's. So the first value of x we got is negative 2. The second value of x is 12. In order to know if our answers are correct, we need to evaluate it using the given original equation. Obviously both sides are equal. It is true that the x equals negative 2 is one of the solution. Next let's evaluate the value of x equals 12. Yes, it is true that the value of x equals 12 is correct. Therefore, that the values of x's negative 2 and positive 12 is the solution set of the given equation.
If you liked, enjoyed and learned from this video, consider subscribing to my channel, like, share and hit the bell for more exciting math topic video. Thanks for watching, have a wonderful day to everyone, happy learning!